Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this shoot is very simple. We did two outfits. We did both pink outfits because she has pink hair, kind of pink themed. So we did one where we set up just a little kind of set here in my living room. And there's a couple lights here. I'll explain those all. And then we did a second one where it's just laying on the couch and a single light setup for that one. So as normal, I always put the largest modifier right in front of the GoPro that I'm using to record this behind the scenes video, but I'm using a Godox or a Flashpoint AD400 Pro right here. It's got an octabox on it. It's a 42-inch octabox, no grid or anything. The other light I have is off camera left. It's another Explorer 400 Pro. It's got a strip box on it and no grid on that. Then I have two other lights off camera right. There's a high one up here. That's a Godox V860 version 2, shining pink onto the background. It's got a pink gel on it. And then behind this octabox, low on the ground, there's another V860 version 2 pointing up, shining onto a lava lamp we have in the scene. And that's just kind of lighting that lava lamp up a little bit. So for the second look, we're going to shoot on the corner of the couch, just have the camera pointing to the shelf back there and light up the background, and then kind of just Photoshop out the thermostat and the electrical box. But it started looking kind of like high school senior picture-esque because I had the curtain and then I had like a little light shining onto the curtain to separate her from the background, and it didn't look very interesting. So instead what I did is just move the octabox to camera right, really close to her. I ended up shooting above at a higher angle and just used a one light setup and let the octabox light wrap around her and just kind of create this moody image. So for this look, we have just the Explorer 400 Pro with a 42-inch octabox. Okay everyone, hopefully you're entertained, hope you found this useful, maybe you got some ideas for your next video. Consider sharing this with another photographer if you think that might help them with their images. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks everyone for watching.